In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get into it. If you're in a situation where you need to seem less available or simply want to take a break without being disturbed, you can easily appear offline in Slack. It's a short process, so let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to focus on the top right corner of your Slack window. There, you will see your profile icon. This icon is usually a small picture or avatar that represents your account. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on your profile icon. When you click on that, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you need to select the option that says Set yourself as away. It's pretty straightforward, but it's an essential step to ensure your status reflects your offline availability. Once you click Set yourself as away, you'll notice a little change in your profile status. Your green online dot, which shows that you're currently available, will switch to an empty gray circle. This visual cue is important because it clearly indicates to everyone else that you are offline and not available for chats or messages. Now, while this might seem like a simple task, it can be really effective in managing your work-life balance. There are times when you might be in a meeting, focusing on a project, or simply want to disconnect a bit. By appearing offline, you can minimize distractions and give yourself some time to recharge. And remember, if someone sends you a message while you're set as away, they'll notice your status. It serves as a gentle reminder for them, and it helps you maintain a clear boundary regarding your availability. If you accidentally set yourself as away but want to return to your active status, that's just as simple. Just revisit your profile icon, and instead of set yourself as away, you'll see an option to set yourself as active. Click that, and in just a moment, your status will change back to available. It's also worth noting that connecting with your team about your availability can be valuable. Letting them know when you're stepping away can foster understanding and help reduce interruptions. So, those are the steps to appearing offline in Slack. As you can see, it's a straightforward process that can make a significant difference in how you manage your time and focus during work hours. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please think about subscribing for more tips and tricks like this. And don't forget to give a thumbs up.